Gather up the whole family and serve this delicious 5-layer casserole. Each layer has a different set of ingredients to add texture and a lot of flavors to this wonderful dish. To make this flavorful meal, start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, place a ground hamburger into a pan and cook until browned. Transfer it into a greased baking casserole once cooked and spread evenly. Add the cream of mushroom soup next. Spread evenly. Then add the strings of green beans. Sprinkle over the mozzarella cheese, then top it with tater tots. Now bake it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes until the cheese has melted, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.